Yes, ready, start. Therefore, our agreement not to reduce the water supply no longer held good. We resumed our freedom of action. Were ready to talk when they or Pakistan wanted because we did not intend to shut the door to agreement. But the talks had ended and our delegation would be returning home. The bank people told us, however, that Pakistan's attitude was changing and that they were saying that they accepted the principle since there were chances that a way out would be found. The bank asked our delegation to wait for a few days more. Our representatives agreed to do so. The point is that our former agreement with the World Bank or with Pakistan for not reducing the supply of waters has ended. We have every right to reduce it, but we do not want to stand on legal rights in this matter. We want to do something which would harm neither Pakistan nor us. Therefore, we again told them that we would do nothing in haste which may harm the landowners and peasants in Pakistan. We would give them a chance to make their own arrangements. After all, we had to reduce the supply of waters, but we would do it having regard to the conditions, that is, we still stood by the principles which we accepted in the agreement of 1948. If you have read the Pakistan newspapers, you will see that there is a great storm and outcry as if something is going to take place on July 8 here in Nangal, which would immediately stop the waters flowing into Pakistan and create a drought, as a result of which lakhs and crores of people would die of hunger and thirst. This is wrong and deplorable. We cannot tolerate it. We have told Pakistan clearly time and again that for the present we would not reduce the supply of water. It is a fact that they have built one or two canals from which they can take some water. Therefore, they can take water from their side and we would reduce supplies to that extent. This would not reduce their total supply of water. If they could build some more canals as they intend, then this process would go on. The exploratory talks held under the auspices of the World Bank made it clear that there is no dearth of water. Only an arrangement to bring the waters to the desired directions was lacking. It is evident that on our side, in East Punjab, we have no long other source of water than the Satluj. You can see that from the map stop.